celebration. We're doing another making video with drama, please. Mommy!
We're going to make chewy chocolate chip cookies.
We're doing Christmas. So we have the bowls. So we have the one for the eggshells. We have one for the eggs. And we have the base one when we put the eggs and all of the other stuff. And it's going to be so delicious. And it smells so good. And you will see some cats in the videos.
So
A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down. The medicine go down. Okay, so 2 eggs first. If you want to know, eggs have protection. And this is a little skin of it. That we put that in first. I just made a little mess. When you clean, when you bake, it's also supposed to, you also have to clean.
Yes, because when you clean as you go, it leaves less mess.
So now we stir.
Oh, wait, you need a whisk?
Oh yeah, we need a whisk. Okay, we finished. Now we have the chocolate that I was telling you.
Okay.
And now it's for the white sugar.
Sure.
The whole thing.
Yes.
That's a lot of sugar.
We're making a lot of cookies.
So we have the brown sugar, the whole entire thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Guys, look at the whisk. Mommy, this is not gonna work.
No, hold on. What did we do? Oh, the butter. Duh.
I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Let me smell it. Oh, that smells so good. OMG.
Wow, this tastes good.
You're supposed to taste it when it's not baked yet. Guys, comment below. This is like slime.
You are a great slime maker, so I feel like you can handle this.
Oopsie. Ready?
Oh, wow.
I'm just gonna pour it. Okay. We need the second one. And maybe the third one.
And you want M&Ms in every bite, so keep mixing. Oh my gosh, we're getting them everywhere.
Baking needs to have some messy. Yeah?
You're right, baking is messy. That is
You
fine.
should wear that hair often.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Thank you, that was so nice of
You
you.
should wear that every single day.
My headband? Thank you, Mama. Okay, now we're gonna let it chill. We have to pause and we'll be back in 30 minutes.
So I'll see you in 30 minutes. Bye.
Yes.
These smell so good. And now we're gonna make little balls.
Then place them on parchment paper.
And this has a lot of sugar. I'm not joking. Did you see? So replay. That's a lot of sugar. Yeah, that's how much sugar. Do this in slow motion. Look.
Okay. Slow motion? Sure. Coming right up. I saw that.
Now, guys, we're gonna put them in the oven. We're gonna show you.
Perfect. See you in 10 minutes.
It's Christmas time.
Ooh, those look delish. Let's take them out. Truly.
Is this hot?
Beautiful. Yes, it's all hot. I'll take it out because I don't want you to get burned.
That's how you do a great cookie with excellent
Teamwork. Partner, yes, girl.
Okay, guys, it's the end of the video. The cookie smells so good. I wish you could smell it from the camera. Well, we got this pinch, and there's cookies inside.
And these might go in there. These smell delicious.
Bye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Peace.